Everything Subway Surfers. Today we're playing. I'm recording!
Sorry?
So today we're playing Subway Surfers. Oh, Jesus. That's loud, guys. Alright, well, let's head in. I don't know why, but I really don't go after the coins. But I think I know that you need. Oh, Jesus. Look at this. Woo! Woo! Oh! You'll get it. Go. Woo! Now everything that is in my way will get destroyed. Get destroyed. I wonder if I crashed into something. Like a wall with a hoverboard. Have you ever tried that before? Crashing into a wall with a hoverboard? Will it just destroy the whole freaking station? Oh, ow! That hurt. Jay, good. I'm going for lessons, man. Basketball! Or whatever, I don't know. I'm literally doing that word. Yes, sir, baby! Oh, and I just died! Yes, guys! Woo! This is the best time. This video might be pretty long, I don't know. Depends when my video randomly stops recording, because I'm using a rubbish screen recorder. Ah! Oh! Let's play it again. Okay guys, if I die the video ends, okay? I just figured it out. Oh no! Never mind, I'm not ending the video yet, don't worry guys. Well, okay, maybe this time. Alright, I'm gonna try aim for all the coins that's here. I'm gonna have to go the way with the coins. Quick, no! I missed some coin. I keep missing. I mean, it's not possible. Oh. Let's get it. No! It lagged, so I couldn't move to the pole thingy. I'm not controlling it. It didn't let me jump! You know what? We're getting a video. We're watching an ad. The hell? Oh, come on. Who's a werewolf? Him. Him. Her, him, ham, bam. No, I don't want to play. Yeah, get out of here. Oh, I just went through that hedge there, guys. Oh yeah, I can't see. I'm supposed to stay on a tray. Word Hun, what's up? Why? Fine, I'll watch another ad. No, we're gonna stop this, guys. I don't want to choose a bottle. Oh, bottle jump 3D. I have that on my dad's phone. Great. Excuse me. There you go. Do we have to stay on this for so long? Oh my god. This is annoying. No, cut it out. Okay, here we go, guys. Starting again. Right. No! It doesn't let me move! What is this? Oh, for fun. Me. No! Get out of here. Wait, Jake. Let's get in. Now I got the dark. Now I got the dark outfit in. The new. Yay! I need a board. I can get a whole board, but I don't want to waste my coin. Wait, no, what numbers if you get 5 balls or whatever? Oh, they're monetized. Yeah. 2 times. Oh! No! I misclicked. Oh, that ball's nice. Okay, we don't want to die on this. Oh, I see what you gotta do. Oh, no! We gotta wait 20 seconds. Okay, there we go. Starting up again. Perfect. The box! Oh look, there's A there. Look. We can close to completing Jake. Wait, I want to get on one of these trains that you're not meant to get on because they're inappropriate. YouTube, please stop deleting my videos when they're not inappropriate. I'm fed up of this. Oh god, I'm stuck in here. I'm going for this. Oh yeah, I love these! I can now jump over trains. Woo! He didn't let me jump! I'm fed up with it! Oh, look. A spray can. Hell, what's going on? Oh, well, my game crashed. So that's where I'm going to end this video right here. Hope you enjoyed it, and yeah. Bye-bye. See, this is the screen recorder I'm using, guys. Real crap.